Hi, this is the COMFEE compact mini dishwasher. I believe it goes under the name Medea as well. I bought this recently and I'm so impressed with it. Putting it on a rapid wash takes about half a unit of electricity. So basically, if you're paying 45p a unit, you're paying 22.5p to do the dishes. I've put a load of stuff in here. I put an egg poacher, the egg poacher lid, a plate, a side plate, a dish that was in the microwave with some baked beans in it, some cutlery, a few cups from last night and some more from this morning. It's actually amazing how much you can get in here if you organise. I will say I've used the cutlery draining rack to put more cups on top, and I've actually purchased a actual spare cutlery draining thing, also from Amazon. That was about £5. It just frees up the draining rack. I'll take another video once it's finished. It won't be long now. Okay, it's obviously finished. I'm just going to show you what I had in here. I'm just going to put a tea towel on the door. You don't get the drying cycle on the 29-minute rapid wash, so they will be a bit wet. Okay. That's the egg poaching pan, plate, lid, side plate. I've got the inside of the egg poaching pan, you know, the little tray. That's really clean. Cutlery, nice and clean. No egg, no beans. The lid. That had baked beans in it, microwaved. Hello, all gone. Oh, the little egg poaching trays. No egg. I did brush them with olive oil on a piece of paper towel. There's no oil. See what I mean about using the cutlery rack to put more cups and things on. See, clean. They were caked on with coffee. Nice shiny glass, very shiny. And then some more glasses and a beaker there, 2 beakers, sorry. Yeah, these plastic beakers, they've always been cloudy. They're probably not dishwasher safe, but I only use them for juice in the morning. It's not like I'm giving them to desks, but glasses come out amazingly clean. So yeah, you can get quite a lot in, but I do recommend buying one of these so you don't have to use the cutlery rack. Yeah, about £5 from Amazon. I don't know what brand it was. I think it was a German brand. Okay, buy one.
Well, here it is. It's just finished doing its business. And there it is. Everything looks like it's been washed pretty clean. The gubbins thing though is still looking a bit guppy. Let's have a look at Chloe's dish. Not bad, one little morsel stuck on it. Not not bad. Everything else though, gleaming as it should be. This guppy thing was really guppy, mind. It'll probably need another wash, but everything else is spotless. Yeah, all the dishes spotlessly clean. That dish, oh, cups, glasses, everything. But the guppy thing, as you can see, this needs another going over, but look at it, because it is very guppy. But Chloe's dish, which was caked in gup, that one's really clean. So yeah, COMFEE, very good dishwasher.
This COMFEE countertop dishwasher is a great way to save yourself a lot of time. It fits really nicely on your countertop. I'm going to pop it open now. It's a really standard dishwasher. It is relatively small and you might have trouble fitting some larger plates in, but with a bit of maneuvering it's quite easy to get around that. I'm just cleaning it right now, but as you can see inside there's one spinning blade which is used to clean the cups, and there's also a cutlery tray, quite small, but it seems to fit everything we have except from larger kitchen knives. I'm just going to close it up now. The device itself has indicators for salt and rinse aid if you need to fill it up, and it has 6 programs. There's an intense, standard and eco, as well as 3 different types of glass washers, and the LCD screen on the top shows you how long is left of the program, and then the other buttons are used for changing and ending the program. This dishwasher does have to be plumbed into mains water. However, you can get a splitter like this to split it from the same water connection you use from your washing machine. And then this pipe just goes into the sink to get rid of the wastewater.
Okay, it's finished at 30 minutes. Oh, I didn't put much in, remember. That's looking good. I'm pretty happy.
Let's get right inside the cup as well.
We were sort of telling, look what I bought Deanie for his birthday.
Mommy's dishwasher's on!